Samsung One UI 9.5 could be getting its own liquid glass design, and it looks clean. Samsung hasn't even finished rolling out One UI 9.0, but leaks are already giving us an early look at One UI 9.5, and this time, the biggest change could be the design. Samsung appears to be experimenting with a new liquid glass style interface, bringing more transparency, blur, depth, and a premium look to One UI. In screenshots, different parts of the interface now have a more frosted glass appearance. Notification panels, folders, floating bars, and other system elements appear slightly transparent, allowing the background behind them to show through with a soft blur. And this gives the UI a completely different sense of depth. Instead of every element looking flat, some parts now feel like they're floating above the rest of the interface. You can also see more polished borders, subtle shadows, and glass-like effects around buttons and widgets. This is very similar to the wider liquid glass design trend we're seeing across the tech industry right now, but Samsung doesn't appear to be simply copying anyone else's design. The familiar One UI layout, icons, colors, and overall Samsung identity are still there. Samsung seems to be taking the liquid glass concept and adapting it specifically for One UI. And honestly, this could look especially good on Galaxy phones, because Samsung's AMOLED displays are already known for their deep blacks and strong contrast. But there's an important detail here. Samsung appears to be using the liquid glass effect selectively, rather than making the entire interface transparent. That's actually a good thing, because too much blur and transparency can make an interface confusing or difficult to read. Instead, Samsung seems to be adding these effects where they actually improve the visual experience, and One UI 9.5 could bring more than just a visual refresh. But if this liquid glass design makes it to the stable version, One UI 9.5 could be one of Samsung's biggest visual upgrades in years. And honestly, I'm really liking the direction Samsung is taking. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on Samsung's new liquid glass style One UI 9.5 design? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.